Okay, we're going to multiply a fraction times a whole number. So 1/3 times 4. And I'll show you a pictorial model. So you have 1/3, and it's going to be repeated 4 times. So with the 1/3 being repeated 4 times, we're going to make as many holes as we can. So I'll show the students this. I'll show them that we want to make the holes by taking one from the bottom and moving it to the top. Take this one and move it to the top. And what we have left is 1 hole and 1/3. That's a pictorial model. Now to do it in standard algorithm, you have 1/3 times 4. So we take the 1/3 times 4 written as a fraction is 4/1. You multiply in the numerator, then multiply in the denominator. We have an improper fraction of 4/3. We're going to change that to a mixed number. So 4/3 changed to a mixed number. 4 divided by 3. 3 goes into 4 one time. 4 minus 3 is 1. And so we have 1 and 1/3. So that's the answer to that one. I'm going to do another one. 2/4 times 3. We're going to start with a pictorial model. So we have, that's the first 2/4. Here's the second 2/4. Here's the third one. So we're going to start making holes. Going to take one from here at the bottom and move it to the top. Take one from the bottom, move it to the top. We have 1 hole and 2/4. So 1 hole and 2/4. It can be simplified to 1 whole and 1/2. We always want to ask ourselves the question, is our fraction in its simplest form? Now in the standard algorithm, we have 2/4 times 3. So 2/4 times 3. 3 written as a fraction is 3/1. You multiply in the numerator. 2 times 3 is 6/4. So we have an improper fraction of 6/4. We're going to change it to a mixed number. 6/4. You're going to divide. 6 divided by 4. 4 goes into 6 one time. 6 minus 4 is 2. So we're going to write our fraction as 1 whole. Write our number as 1 whole and 2/4. And 2/4 can be simplified. 1 and 2/4 will equal to 1 1/2. And that is multiplying a fraction times a whole number.